Damian and Stephen Marley's Traffic Jam 2025 Tour, a reggae celebration not to miss. Hey reggae fans! Get ready to vibe with the legendary Marley brothers as they hit the road for the Traffic Jam 2025 Tour. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on music, tours, and more. Your support keeps the reggae love flowing. Damian Jr. Gong Marley and Stephen Marley, sons of the iconic Bob Marley, are bringing their electrifying reggae energy to stages across the US and Canada with their Traffic Jam 2025 tour. Kicking off on July 24, 2025, in Portsmouth, Virginia, the tour is a celebration of their musical legacy, blending classic reggae roots with modern flair. Joined by special guest J Boog on select dates, the brothers are set to deliver unforgettable performances that honor their father's timeless influence while showcasing their own artistry. The tour will hit major cities like Atlantic City, Boston, Salt Lake City, and Redmond, wrapping up on August 29, 2025, at Reggae Rise Up Oregon. Damian Marley, a Grammy-winning artist known for hits like Welcome to Jamrock and Medication, continues to push reggae forward with his powerful lyrics and innovative sound. His recent singles, Banner and Wisemen, have sparked excitement on platforms like X, where fans praise their cultural depth and infectious rhythms. Stephen Marley, equally revered, brings his soulful voice and production genius, with classics like Hey Baby and Iron Bars resonating with audiences. Together, the brothers create a dynamic synergy, weaving Bob Marley's anthems with their own chart-topping tracks, ensuring a setlist that appeals to both longtime fans and new listeners. The inclusion of J Boog, a Hawaiian reggae star known for tracks like Let's Do It Again, adds an extra layer of excitement to select shows. His smooth vocals and island-infused sound complement the Marley brothers' vibe, making these performances a must-see for reggae enthusiasts. Fans on X are buzzing about the tour's high-energy shows, with many sharing clips of Damian's commanding stage presence and Stephen's soulful delivery, calling it a reggae revival that feels both nostalgic and fresh. The Traffic Jam 2025 tour isn't just a concert series, it's a cultural experience that celebrates unity, love, and the enduring power of reggae music. From coastal venues to festival stages, the Marley brothers are set to ignite crowds with their message of positivity and resistance. Tickets are selling fast, so check the tour's official website for dates and details to secure your spot. As the Marley legacy continues to inspire, this tour is a testament to Damian and Stephen's commitment to keeping reggae alive and relevant. Whether you're a lifelong fan or new to the genre, the Traffic Jam 2025 tour promises an unforgettable night of music and good vibes. Don't miss out. Grab your tickets, and let's keep the reggae spirit burning bright.